Guys, a lot of small content creators are getting monetized here on YouTube. I think it's raining monetization. So if you're out there with your 500 subscribers, with your 300 subscribers, get up and get into work. Everything boils down to some secrets which I'm going to be sharing with you right now. You don't have to miss any of these points. This my student here got monetized 2 weeks ago, and I could remember last week of December he signed up for my 1 week class, and along the line he was like he wants to give up on his channel, that he's not getting views, no watch hour adding, no subscriber adding. So I was like, what exactly do you want? Because he said every single setting is done on his channel, and when I went through it, yes, every setting is done, which is he make use of YouTube card, end screen, his channel general setting, everything is put to place, but he's not getting that views, he's not getting that watch hours. And his niche is based on this animation, that is, he posts video reaction, that is people reaction to some videos. That is what he posts on his channel. So he said he wants his video to be seen on search results. So basically this was what the 1 week class was all about. I taught him how his videos can be popping up on search results, which is how to optimize your title, your description and the rest. And this guy started uploading back to back, only for me to just receive good news from him 2 weeks ago that his channel has been monetized. He has hit 5,000, over 5,000 watch hours. So guys, this is to tell you that if you are out there, go ahead, go through your channel, try to study your channel, know what you are not doing right. If you claim that, oh, I have fixed every single setting, princess, I've put my end screen, I've put YouTube card, now go straight to, are you optimizing your video? Your titles, are they properly optimized? Your description, how are you doing it? Are you adding video links to your description? Is your thumbnail speaking a lot about your video? So these are some things you need to also check out. And another thing that I must tell you is that growing on YouTube is not easy. Yes, growing on YouTube is not hard also. It just boils down to you, the individual. And secondly, every single person has its time. This person might get monetized just 2 weeks after running his channel, and you might also get monetized maybe 2 months or 3 months after running your channel. In one of my videos, I told you guys that it boils down to your niche and the kind of content you are bringing out here. Some niche actually gain audience and traction more than some other niche, which is niche like mine. Yes, because our content is more like evergreen content. The reason why you clicked on this video is because you want to get monetized, right? So basically every day, even if you have a vlog channel, you will be needing this kind of channels to put you through on your YouTube journey. So now the question is, what are the secrets to getting monetized faster, or how can I be able to monetize my channel under 30 days or even more? Now the very top #1 secret is, first of all, you need to make sure that every single settings are done properly on your channel, down to your keywords, down to your customization, down to your channel general setting, down to even your playlist, your YouTube card and your end screen. Make sure that every single settings are set correctly. Yes, because they are the basics. They could actually affect your views if they are not properly optimized. And if you don't even know how to do that, don't worry, I'm starting a challenge on my channel on the 26th of January. I'm basically going to be offering 9 free courses, and these are all the topics we're going to be covering. So I'm going to advise you, as a beginner here on YouTube, you need every single thing, because to even get this course, that is, if you want me to lecture you on each of these courses, it costs $200, but here I am revealing every single thing in details for you. So you have to make sure you follow through this video. It's just a 9 days video. So once you're done fixing every single setting on your channel, the next thing you need to do is to upload frequently. Let nobody deceive you. If you want to hit your goal faster, you want that views on your channel, you have to learn how to upload regularly. As a YouTuber, how will you be uploading once in a week when you've not even gathered that audience yet? You need to put in the work. If you can't upload every day, try your best to at least upload every two days. Do not joke with your weekends. You see, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, a lot of people actually have time to go through their phone, actually have much more time to spend on YouTube. So that is why you need to don't miss Friday, Saturdays and Sunday. They are one of the days that people actually come up on YouTube. So you have to upload every day. Now, the last secret and the last thing you need to do is optimization. Make yourself visible in search results. Yes, some people will say, oh, there is no need for that. YouTube is on easy mode. YouTube is not on any easy mode. Yes, this is just the secret. You have to put yourself in that. Even if, yes, some people will say YouTube is lock. Put yourself in that position to get the lock. Yes, or how do I even put the English? Make yourself visible so that that lock can actually locate you. Learn how to optimize your video title, your description, and your thumbnail. This goes a long way. Going back to the story I told you guys earlier on about my student who got monetized after 3 weeks of my one-on-one class with him. You see why optimization is actually needed in your journey as a YouTuber. You have to learn how to optimize your video, and also any niche you are in, make sure you bring out your best. It's not just about uploading content. It's not just all about opening your camera and shooting. Any video you are uploading, make sure you are bringing out value. Any content at all you are uploading, make sure there is value. Even if you're making us laugh, yes, even if it's just to giving a review on a particular product, just make sure that the minute somebody watch this video, the person is going to achieve something out of your video. Bring out value in it. You don't need to break a bank to create high quality content. I'm filming this my video from iPhone 7. So even with your Android phone, you can do it. I'm not using any mic. All I just need to do is, okay, I'll just only add a little edit to this video, which is to just increase my volume. That is all. I'm not adding any visuals. No, I'm not even using a tripod. Now, this is my hand and this is my second hand. So this is to tell you that I'm not even using a tripod stand. So for you to make it big on this YouTube street, you don't need to go and start, oh, I don't have a ring light, I don't have mic, I don't have this, I don't have that. Bro, set up your camera and just start saying something. You can do it. So guys, these are the basic secret that you need to put in place in order for you to stand a chance to get monetized faster here on YouTube. I mustn't forget to tell you, YouTube is not on easy mode. Yes, YouTube is not easy, yeah, but it's also easy when you put yourself in the right position. Some people might get monetized in 2 months and you might get monetized in 3 months. It lies down to your niche and the kind of content and how you are bringing it out here. So don't just feel relaxed and don't feel bad if you're not getting views now. Go ahead and continue to upload. Before I got monetized here on YouTube, I posted over 200 videos before I hit monetization. So just do the calculations in your head. So guys, yes, I know YouTube is not easy, but at least it's worth it. It's worth it when you start seeing the money in your account, or when you start seeing it on your YouTube Studio dashboard, you know, oh, it's actually worth it. So guys, please just make sure you do these things so that you can also start enjoying the benefits that comes on YouTube. Okay, so if you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share and comment so that I can get to a lot of people. And see you all in my next video.